Why should you tailor your resume?
Customizing your resume increases your chances of getting noticed by employers. Companies often use software to scan for keywords from their job descriptions. By matching your resume to the job, you show you're a great fit and make it through these filters. Custom resumes also demonstrate that you've put in extra effort and truly want that particular role.
What should you change on your resume?
Focus on adjusting your summary, skills, and work experience sections. Highlight achievements and responsibilities most relevant to the job description. Use the same or similar keywords found in the company's posting. Remove or downplay experience that isn't related to the role. This helps recruiters immediately see why you're a perfect fit.
How do you identify relevant keywords?
Look at the job listing for specific skills, qualifications, and action words. Note commonly repeated terms, job titles, required tools, or certifications. Compare these to your background and be sure to include exact phrasing when it reflects your true experience. This increases the likelihood your resume passes automated screenings.
Is it necessary for every job?
Yes, tailoring your resume is important for every application, especially when the competition is high. Even small changes can make a big difference. Generic resumes rarely stand out. Taking the time to adjust your resume shows respect for both your own experience and the employer's needs.
How much time should you spend customizing?
You don't need hours for each application. Spend about 15 to 30 minutes reviewing the job description and updating key sections. Save versions tailored for common job types so you don't start from scratch every time. With practice, customizing becomes quicker and more natural.